My name is Jorrin Bruns, and I'm a DevRel engineer. I chose blockchain as a developer because I felt like Web3 is the future. Web2 is what we affectionately call the current kind of paradigm, and I wanted to be a part of bringing in the next wave of technologies that is going to power the new internet. I was in the Web2 space as a web developer, and I started meeting some people in the Web3 space, started planning events in person, and then it turned into building hackathons and building community and having events in the tech space. And it was that community that made me feel welcome and supported me, and we learned from each other, and that's what brought me fully into the space. We're in the Web3 space, we're constantly innovating and building the bleeding edge of technology. So I'm always having to deal with problems that aren't easy to Google. The Web2 problems, it's a little bit easier to find those answers because people tend to have the same problems over and over again. But in the Web3 space, we're solving new issues, and so it's not always that simple. So it is really getting together with people and collaborating with people smarter than you to find those answers. I've been in the space since 2017 as like an enthusiast and investor. Didn't move into the space full-time as a career until 2020. New in the space, there's lots of pulls to my attention. I just got pulled in a different direction, but I always knew about Algorand, and I was looking for a new career step. My eyes fell again on Algorand, so I started digging into the tech more. I saw some things that I was really interested in, and so I applied for the job, and the rest is history, as they say. Coming from the web dev space, JavaScript is my bread and butter, and what excites me most about Algorand is this year introducing TypeScript to AlgoKit 3.0, and it's just going to open the doors up for traditional web developers to come in and be able to use a language that they're really familiar with and have that power at their fingertips. They don't have to learn a new language, and they could just get in and start running with it. So that's what gets me really excited.